divide 361 by 5 in long division method. 5 times 7 is 35. On subtracting we get 1. So now we put down this 1 and it is 11. 5 times 2 is 10. On subtracting we get 1. So now we have no any other number to put it down. So we put here decimal, so that we put 0. So it is 10 and 5 times 2 is 10. On subtracting we get 0. So 361 divided by 5 is 72.2. So this much for today and thanks for watching.